So I am here at Settlers Ridge. Again, we are just looking at the different pre-construction sites. I really love it. The space feels very homey. Guys, I think I found something that I am really in love with. I'm right here. Look, Saint, behind you. So as you can see, guys, I am wearing my protection equipment. This is very nice.
The one down there.
I met the designer of the home just to get a chance to see. Guys. And how many sites do you guys have currently?
We have 2 right now. We had 3, but that one sold out.
Okay. Now, what could you tell me about the quality of the home and the community?
Elementary school is right there.
Okay.
And the high school is right there. So you're within walking distance of both.
Thank you. I'm very excited about this. Make sure you keep your social distancing. So we're going to the upstairs right now. Looking for that dream home on a budget, guys. So
there's a Walmart here just down the road too, eh?
yeah. Oh, there's a Walmart down there?
Just down that way.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Turn right onto Marmora Street.
Down here is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at this. This reminds me of the Bahamas. Remember when we were wandering? This looks like the Bahamas. West, Ontario.
Turn right onto Marmora Street.
The community looks really nice. A good thing. Looks like a church right there. It's a Presbyterian church. So this area does look a bit developed. We have KFC, Walmart. There's a nail store. I am thinking about having a nail salon, so I am looking at where the competition is. So looking at different areas. Anytime I visit a community, I have to ensure that any service I want to provide, that look, the downtown there is a spa. So if I know I am, look at this, Boston Pizza. We've seen a lot of Tim Hortons. There is a Max. So we're driving, we saw that there is like a bean park. We're just gonna go down there and see what is down there. So we were just driving and I saw this nice park. I was like, let me take a stop, let me show you guys what, the park and the lake. So I'm just walking. Zane is sleeping, Curtis is in the car right over there. So you see what I am doing for you guys? I want you to see the beautiful scenery that I am exploring while vlogging. So I am just walking right now. I am in Trenton, Ontario, heading to Belleville. Oh my goodness, look at this. I will flip the camera on so you could see this. Where I am right now. It's beautiful. Let me get a closer shot of the lake so you guys could see. Oh, it is so breezy out here. Gosh, so beautiful. Hi! Guys, so this is so beautiful, breathtaking view. I can imagine this is a lake. So let's see how this looks. Guys, this is such a beautiful scenery out here. I just want to show you everything that I am exploring today. We are really vlogging the whole day. I am here and this is a beautiful lake. I would build a house here anytime. I love it. Everyone I have met down here, they've been very friendly. I have conversation with a lot of people. They tell me about the community, tell me about the people here in Trenton. The people in Trenton, they're pretty friendly. Those I have met, they're very friendly. Yeah, I just met a mom with her 2 kids, husband, by the lake. We had a nice conversation. She was telling me about, in comparison to Toronto, a lot of people left Toronto, came down here to just live by the lakeside and in nature. I'm in nature, so I love this style of vlogging because I'm able to share like the real life and the real journey with you. And this is, whew, yeah, I love this. Heading back to the car so we could continue on our journey. Yeah, this is nice. Hey, so we're heading back out on our trail. Yeah, I had to put on my mask in the car because it looks like so breezy. I don't know if it was cotton or pollen, but there are some white things flying in the air, and it's making my allergy act up. So I was like, I had to put on my mask until we pass the area. So we're actually passing, this is a medical dental clinic of Trenton. Trenton is very much developed. Oh wow, what is that? Oh, Royal Force of Canada. That is so cool. Canadian Force Base. Oh, that's where everything is. Wow, nice. As I said, guys, I am looking for that dream home. We met a lady and she told us this builder is... Oh, I could... Oh, this little latch? Okay. Oh, thank you very much. I can tell you the customer service is really nice. Wow. This is the backyard porch. And it's going down, like down. There's a staircase down there. You can see the bottom. Now, he told me the basement does have a walkout. So it looks, this is a bungalow. So the construction is really good. So let's head on the inside. Let's see what they have to offer. I am so excited. It feels really, I love it. And I love the neutral colors. So yeah. Okay. Yes. Interesting. The ceiling fan, are there a lot of upgrades inside of here? Okay. The color is beautiful. Let's see the basement. So this is the entrance. I'm loving the entrance because I just love to see that it's going straight into the kitchen.
The garage is there, 2-car
garage?
and the closet there, and then when you go down the hallway,
yes.
to your right is where the laundry is.
Oh.
And then there's 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and then the basement's all done.
Interesting. Let's see. Oh wow, I've never seen that sort of setup. So we have 3 bedrooms. First bedroom here. Second bedroom. We have a very nice bathroom here. Is that the dream home, guys? This look. Wow, the master bedroom is very spacious. Look at this. You have your little closet. Wow. This is beautiful. Very cozy. It's not like the spaces. Ooh, this is good. I love this. I love the construction. They're very friendly down here. I love everyone I've met here. They're very friendly. This is another bathroom, I guess, for the kids. Wow. And this is a bungalow. I love the style of it. This is very nice. So it's an open concept.
Were you with that other lady? No. Don't just wait till she's out. Okay?
So if you're coming in, you have to ensure, again, see, I love this. I guess you could have a nice dining room here. And the kitchen is nice. Your fridge is here. This looks really comfortable. And I think the size is perfect. Let me see the basement because I do want to put the spa on the basement. Let's see how the basement looks. Because the main focus is to get something where I could have the basement. Oh! Now this is the basement. Guys, I am loving this space. It is very small and it feels like, I don't feel like it is too much, the space. And you have a walkout from the basement. So if I have clients coming in, they could always use the sliding door. So I'm going to have a look around. The large mirror on the wall looks beautiful. Let me see. If there is a bathroom on this level, makes it even better. Look at this. Enough space for a room. Look at how wide it is. The basement is, wow, it's pretty wide. Because again, I really want a business space. At the bottom, let's see if there are any lights. Bathroom at the bottom, I guess that would be upgrades. That is nice. And you have another space and space. So this is really nice. I am loving this. I just hope it is in my budget. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I think this is the first like home I've seen that feels really comfortable and cozy, because everything looks so close.
You can have all this information.
Okay.
So there's probably about 6 or 7 two-stories.
Yes.
That are right around between 5 and 5'10".
Okay. Okay.
Now,
Sounds good.
that does not include the basement being.
You bring a gas barbecue line.
Oh,
Like I
nice.
said, a lot of the upgrades really are not all that noticeable. Like all the ceilings that you see in the 9-foot ceilings, that's all standard.
Oh, this is
But then
standard.
again, every design is different. So when you're looking at different design, you
Yes.
may have
Something different. I actually have lamps like these at home, so I could see my lamps already in this. This is my same lamps at home. I love it. This is very nice.
The one down there, the third one down, isn't going to be done until January.
Guys, I think I found something that I am really in love with. The customer service was amazing. I met the designer of the home, and he'll be saying hello because I think he was so informative with explaining the home to me, and I guess he has to say hello. You could introduce yourself and let them know the company name and your site. So
It's Merchant Homes,
Yes.
and my name's Gary Davidson.
yeah, and you design the homes?
Yes.
All right, so he designed the homes. And how many sites do you guys have currently?
We have 2 right now. We had 3, but that one's sold out.
Okay, and the area I am currently interested in, how...
Stonecrest.
It's Stonecrest?
Yeah. And then we have your area which is directly north of 401 where Belleville is.
Yes.
About 10 minutes that way.
Yes.
Or west, or east and north.
Yeah.
And that's the other area we're building in right now.
Now, what could you tell me about the quality of the home and the community? What can you tell me about here? Because we do have a small
if you look
family.
at this outside of this brochure, you'll see the number of years that we've got out for sales excellence. I think it's 32 years now. I don't know of any other builder in Ontario
Yes.
that's got it for 32 consecutive years. So if you have one violation of a customer that has a legitimate complaint that you didn't take care of,
Yes.
you don't get that for the whole year.
Wonderful.
So
I
they do emphasize customer service.
Okay, and like for a small family, I don't have a baby, and what if I want to extend my family? What do you think about the community? Would it be a good area
Well,
for?
the elementary school is right there,
Okay,
and the high school is right there, so you're within walking distance of both.
thank you. Guys, what do you think? Customer service is amazing. I met him today. I met a lady on the road and she told me I should visit this builder, and I think the customer service is so... I am about to go home and just watch the plan and see if it is something our budget could afford. We're definitely looking... He did speak to us about the moving date for next year. So we'll keep you up to date. If you want to move away from wherever you are, I think based on my experience today, you could visit this builder. The design is one of... I haven't seen a design like this yet. I really love it. The space feels very homey, and yeah, I was very happy. Great customer service. Thank you so much.
welcome.
Thank you. So you see why it is good to stop sometimes. I thought the customer service with this builder was superb. He explained everything to me. The area is very quiet. There are schools in the area, and yeah, it's far, but I think I really fell in love with it, the space. Yeah. So Matron Homes, I'm actually at the other site in Belleville. This one is Settlers Ridge, and yeah, I am looking at the site right now. A lot, like it is like clearly sold out. Everything is like sold out. He told me about this area, so we're looking at it right now, and the construction site is really nice. Look at this crow. Yeah, construction site is pretty cool. So I am here at Settlers Ridge again. We are just looking at the different pre-construction sites. I met the builder, I met the guy, and this is really nice. So yeah, I think it's really nice. This area, it's not too far from the other side. It's like about 10 minutes. So yeah, it's about 10 minutes. So we're not able to see the model homes here, but we're able to see the other one, so we get an idea of how the builder works. So yeah, hopefully we could see Matron Homes. I like the home designs. So guys, I am so happy you were able to trail with us today. Another site viewing different homes. Let me go down. Let me see if I could hear something. You heard a crow? Heard a crow. Let me see if I could ask somebody friendly neighborhood. View the site. Looking for that dream home on a budget, guys, so you gotta commute far. Hey there. You live in the community? How is the community here?
Under construction.
Yeah.
And then they're going to build over the other side there.
Oh, on the other side? It's a different builder, right?
No, the same builders are going to build 120 more houses.
Oh, wow.
So if you go down to the main road and walk, you can right to see a sign there.
Okay, thank you so much.
You looking for a place out this way?
Yeah, we went to the other location at Trenton. Yeah, we got a chance to see the homes, and he told us about this site, so we're having a look to see the neighborhood, you know, get a feel.
What's nice about here is so handy, because this road here goes just across the 401.
Yeah, the highway's just there.
Costco's is going in there.
There's a Costco?
Not yet, but they're going in there where that construction is in Belleville, right?
Oh, that's pretty cool.
And the mall is right there.
Yes.
Everything you need is so handy. Other side of town, it's out the way.
Nice. And what I love about there, the people down here, they're quite friendly.
Yeah, there's a Walmart area just down the road too, eh?
Yeah. Oh, there's a Walmart down there?
Just down that way.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. I tell you, everybody I've met has been very friendly. There's another model right down there. A few builders down there. This is Matron Homes. I love their designs. So I'm gonna go down there to see if I could see the other model home. So we are headed back to Toronto. Just to let you know, this video. So we are back home, and the sun is still out in Toronto. So thank you guys for viewing the vlog. Sun is still out. It's about 6 p.m. right now. So see you in another video. Thank you again, guys. Bye.